And here we go. We're gonna disconnect me once and forever from double port. And never again, hopefully. You're gonna flush both of them, right?
Yeah.
Just in case.
That's what I'm doing now.
It's such a weird feeling when it goes in. You know?
I heard that.
Can go any part of the body, but like chest.
I have seen it in the belly, and I have seen it in the arm. I don't know what specific reasons why, but yeah. Okay. And wait, let me put this in the garbage, and I'm gonna just remove all that.
Great, thank you.
I'm just gonna raise the bed a bit, okay?
Yep.
Yes. No, he needs a two-person assist. Yeah, Kira can help, and I mean, if anyone can. Thank you. There's tape here. It's being stubborn. Okay, got it. I think I got it all.
Now you have to pull it out altogether.
Yeah. Put them. Okay. Actually, let me do it so that way. 1 and 2 are out. Let me just clean it.
Last time I just sprayed with blood all over
Uh-huh.
the place.
Oh my
That's why I
goodness.
kept the robe.
No, this is good. We can remove this later on, okay?
Okay. When can I take a shower? In
You
a
can
few
take a
hours,
shower,
yeah.
I'm sure you want to do that. Nice,
At home.
good shower at home.
I know.
Done.
Great.
Very good.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thanks.